Niggas thought that I would never do it. Now I got them looking crazy. On the top floor, looking down at my haters. I swear this shit feeling amazing. Alright, oh, okay. Me and my gang put in work for real. We ain't got time to play. Swing got ARP, yeah.
What is up, YouTube? It's Noonie and I'm back with another vlog. Y'all already know this. Cause I'm consistent. I'm on a generational run. I do this for the love of the game. And I love my subscribers. I love my viewers type shit. But let me stop yapping. For real, let me stop yapping. I gotta go to Walmart and get some antifreeze for my my beater. Y'all know my little beater. I've been showing y'all the beater. We got Scatty P right here. She crunk up right now. It ain't the regular one either. That's the Daytona one. So can y'all see that? Yeah, that's the Daytona one, chat. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I hope y'all could. We gotta go get some antifreeze for the beater real quick so I can drive it. It's been running hot. I think I got an antifreeze leak on it. We're gonna find it, and if we do find an antifreeze leak, I'll show y'all how to fix that. First show, like being here. We finna go get something to eat and some antifreeze. We're gonna shake down to Walmart real quick. I need to get some socks to put on my feet.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message. Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
I had to get socks, chat. I don't want everybody looking at my toes out in public, man. Boo, 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 boo. I gotta put some air in my tire too. I think there's a nail in the front left tire because it keeps it's deflating very fucking slowly. So there has to be a nail in it, but I'm gonna back up real quick so I can carry the compressor around. Excuse me, chat. I had to handle some business. I'm back now though. We finna head to Walmart to get the antifreeze for the beater. I'm rich. I'm young, black, and rich like that boy. Young Billy Mike said.
It all starts with you.
I'm gonna have to get some.
Everything you ever.
Like I was saying about that tire back there scraping.
Now, it starts today.
I done fucked the rotor up. I'm gonna have to get whole new rotors and shit for the
So you know I'm finna dip. I just wanna stack these cakes down the way, get us in. Ain't nobody gave a damn about a young nigga till he got rich. I'm geeking way too hard, yeah, I'm finna glitch. I just changed my whole lifestyle. I just cut off dead weight. Now they know I'm fly as shit. We always have potential. I'm just cashing in my chips. I'm in long black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma be the bitch. I put ice in my mouth and I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get mad.
I'm young, black, and rich.
She tryna sell me lies, bitch.
I ain't buying shit.
If we ain't talking money, then
I'ma beat the field.
I put ice in my mouth.
Yeah, I'm hydrated.
I ain't even gon' get mad.
I'm young, black, and rich.
I ain't even gon' stay on life. 745 got cash that flight. Both my flight, my life all private. Gotta take a bad bitch.
Excuse me, chat, if I seem crazy as fuck. When I listen to music, I really just be hyped as fuck, genuinely.
I'm in and I get on a different time. Yeah, you niggas ain't dead cause you still gotta pay me homage. Yeah, why you so nosy? What the fuck wrong with your silence? Right here.
Talking that shit right me, yeah, you gonna get shot, gonna get shot. Her head for the bitch, she gonna fuck me different, she a rock. She like hang around my
She a bite! You heard what he said!
Money up all on the tongue, I'm fucking that bitch, we help him run. That bitch we kinda different, she gonna suck on my dick with some head on me tongue. His head to his toes, that boy is a bomb. His toe, motherfucking gun. Money up all on the tongue, I'm fucking that bitch, we help him run. That bitch we kinda different, she gonna suck on my dick with some head on me tongue. His head to his toes, that boy is a bomb.
I brought a dead camera with me, bro. I just looked over at the camera. I see that fucking orange. Fuck. I done brought a dead camera on a trip. Shit don't make no sense. Zayden, you be doing some dumb shit. See, that's why I gotta order that battery pack I've been talking about. I gotta stop, bruh. Zayden, stop talking about shit and do it. Stop talking about shit and do it. Y'all probably hear that damn motherfucker scraping back there too. I gotta fix that rotor. Ain't no fixing it, you just gotta buy a new one. I don't know why I said fix it. You gotta buy a new one. I ain't fixing that shit. Hey, this motherfucker right here. You need to get out of my way, bitch. I swear on my life. Like you braking and ain't nobody in front of you. That don't make no sense. A bitch can't drive. Hey, don't talk about that. Just be quiet. Scatty P is gonna go into surgery soon. She's gonna be fixed. I don't even know how that happened. I must have put the brakes on wrong. It is what it is. I don't get no fucks, to be honest. Yeah, I did that all the way wrong. It'll be alright though. It'll be alright. We gonna get it right. And when I get it right, I'm gonna show y'all, just to show y'all I fixed it. We all make fuck ups now. We all fuck up sometimes. Even $5 away to a lucky renter. Oh, Bud, you're fucked. Bud, you're fucked. Oh, that's fucked. He's not fucked. He's in a great fucking position. When I say you're fucked, like, he's in a great fucking position. No bullshit. That boy said he got the equilibrium. About that. Whew. Boy, that striking lightning was something serious, wasn't it, boy? That was something serious right there. Man, look. My brakes over here scrubbing in front of everybody in the parking lot. Man, look, come on, we gotta get out the way. So I can park this bit. I don't want everybody to hear this shit. I need to get my handicap tag so I can just park in the front. I'm eligible for it too. I don't know why I ain't applied. I'm gonna go apply for it. And I want them motherfuckers to try and deny me. If they do, they're just racist, bitch. You're racist as fuck. Far more than eligible, bud. So, when I come apply for that handicap, whatever thing that go in the window, make sure you just give it to me. How about that? How about that? I'm more eligible than some of these old folks. Nah, for real. But yeah, we finna get in the store and get this antifreeze. Yo. Alright, chat. We done made it in Walmart like this here. I think I need to wipe off the lens a little bit. And I need to find my lens cover because I think I fucking lost it. Bear with me, chat. We gonna get y'all right. Woo. We got y'all right now, chat. Y'all perfect now. Well, y'all always been perfect. To be honest, y'all always been perfect. You can't let nobody tell y'all ain't perfect. Cause get what? Y'all always been perfect. You gotta be delusional like that. It's like you gotta be delusional like you're not perfect, but know in the back of your head that you're not perfect. That didn't make no sense. You gotta be delusional like you're perfect, but know in the back of your head that you're not perfect. Like, be delusional as fuck, like you're this shit, you know, you deserve everything in the world, but also know in the back of your head that you're not worth shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might not be picking up what I'm putting down. It's like a balance type shit. It's like, oh yeah, I know I'm the shit, but I also know I'm not shit. I'm gonna get the stuff that you must add water to, because I want the strongest coolant they got. Yo, the strongest fucking shit that they got. I want the strongest shit, chat. The strongest shit. Ooh, I'm coming back in here soon to get a suitcase. Because as y'all know, I was just traveling. But I was using my dad's suitcase when I traveled last time. So, sooner or later, we'll be back to get that. Yo, we got what we need right now, though. Get antifreeze and dip. Antifreeze and dip. Antifreeze and dip. We gonna keep recording till that motherfucker say doing. They gonna make a little noise and just shut off. I done experienced it before already once. One time, chat. One time. Oh, I got you when I get around there. She said she wanna be on a movie too, chat. We're gonna put it on a movie. Here, I'm gonna go out to Starbucks or a restaurant, you know, anywhere that I can sit down and edit a video. As y'all know, I have started to edit my own videos. So like this here, we're gonna go out into the public. Might go grab a few things, never know. But for right now, we're gonna go sit down somewhere and edit some videos. And I'll catch y'all when we get to the spot that we're editing at. And like this here, y'all gonna come along for the journey. I appreciate y'all for coming along for my journey of vlogging. I appreciate all the people who have stayed, you know, the real supporters who, you know, are supporting me from here to here type shit, because I'm not stopping this shit. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care how hard it gets. I'm gonna stay consistent with this shit, and I'm gonna do this shit because I love this shit. I just have to be resilient. But I'm resilient for real, like Drake said. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna go ahead and get us to the spot. And like this here, I see y'all when we get there. I love y'all, stay up, and love yourself for real. Alright, chat, we done made it to Starbucks now. And look, they always forget one of the ends. But I did here, chat. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the laptop, start editing this video. Scat Pack, she's down for now. When I put the brake pads on her, I'm pretty sure I gotta, I'm pretty sure I probably, it's either they sold me the wrong brake pads or something got wedged in the brake pads when I was putting them on. Ain't it too further? And just know that I fucked the tire up. Well, the rotor, not the tire. It's excruciating. It's horrible. I fucked it up. It's my fault. And you know, I'm gonna fix it. But, you know, we make mistakes and we learn from them type shit, chat. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all when I make a mistake. I'm gonna show y'all when I fix it. So when the new brake pads and rotors come in the mail, y'all will get to see me put that on. As well as, I ain't gonna tell y'all all the other things that I have coming in the mail for this car. I'm just gonna show y'all the process of me fixing the car. Cause, I don't know if y'all know, but the door panels are warped right here. So I'm already talking too much about, you know, what I got planned. I just said something about the door panel, so that gave y'all a hint on, you know, something I got planned type shit. There's no door panels are involved type shit. But what I really need to discuss with y'all is the beater. So as y'all know, I was supposed to change the oil on it. I have not done that yet. We're gonna get that done. But I'm gonna have to just throw a different outfit on, so I'll catch y'all when we get out here to change the oil. Yo, I gotta move these bricks. Ah! I don't even care about the lighting right now. Get back, nigga. Move, nigga. Move. Get back now. Hey, stop it. Chico, stop acting a fucking fool. You an attention whore. Look at him. You an attention whore, Chico. Look, he gonna do all that just to get some attention, chat. It's crazy. It's insane. Stop acting like a hoe. Chico. That's not cool. Not cool to be an attention whore, Chico. How the hell did all this oil get on here? What did Dad do to this thing? What did he do? Let me just throw this motherfucker over the fence. Like, whoop. Then walk around and grab it because I wasn't finna grip my hand around that oily ass oil pan. I wasn't finna do that now, Chet. Pops works hard for his shit, so I respect his shit. Put everything just back how I got it. Yeah. Pops is big on putting things back how you got it. And low-key made me big on that shit, because if you don't put shit back how you got it, then motherfucker, you irresponsible and you want a motherfucker to clean up after you, you dirty bitch. You dirty bitch. Ah, you're just a dirty bitch. Just a dirty bitch. But look, we got the pan. I ain't forget about it. I ain't forget about it now. I ain't forget about it. Let's set it right there for now. I gotta jack her up, so I'm gonna catch y'all after I get her jacked up. And I get the old oil filter taken off and the old bolt taken off. Oil plug, whatever y'all like to call it, type shit. Alright, catch you when we done. Alright, chat. I figured I'd show y'all what filter and what, oil plug I'm talking about, in case y'all ever have to do something like this. I'm about to take that off, and as well as this oil plug right here. And no, my car don't got an oil leak, but it does have a power steering pump leak. So don't be thinking y'all know what the fuck going on. I gotta get a new power steering pump on this thing. And then clean this motherfucker for real. Oh man. But yeah, chat. Look at y'all when I'm done. Like this here. Yeah, chat. We got it draining now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's draining up under there. Most of it done came out already. Let me get this filter off the back seat. And this other jug of oil. So that's hot. I did drive this car this morning, so it all shifted over to this end. Yeah. Got what we need. Oil and a filter. So if you want to save some money and not pay the man at the money and not pay the man at the car care clinic, you want to say fuck the man at the car care clinic, you want to say fuck his pockets, I'm showing y'all how to do it right now. Don't be lazy. And this is how you change oil on most cars. There's just a filter or plug, and then you put the new shit in. If you got a mind that can decipher, then you should know what the fuck to do after I showed y'all what to do. Yo, chat. I just got the filter and the plug put back in. So let's pull this from up under there. That's the old oil, chat, right there. Y'all. And like this here. I think they made these filters differently. I might be tripping. Let me know. Pretty sure everything up under there is tight how it needs to be. So I can let it down now. Let me see how much time I got left on this SD card. 5 minutes. Let's see if we can get everything done. Let's see if we can get everything done that we need to get done to this car within those 5 minutes. It's a challenge, chat. I need to order new jack stands for this thing, cause the hood won't stay up. So I gotta use this right here Fucking Pro Ball. That hood is so fucking hot, Chad. Oh my god, it almost burnt my fucking fingertips off. Oh shit. Oh shit, that shit was hot. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. There you go. Oh dang, the camera done fell sideways. I didn't even notice that. Let me fix that shit. It's better right now. I would say I just put about 3 quarts in there. Well, probably 3-2. And this car takes 5. Yep, she's good, check. Now, we'll give her a wash sometime this week. So, she ain't just, you know, you gotta show all your cars some love, man. You can't just show one of the cars some love. Just cause I got a scat pack don't mean I ain't gonna show my Maxima love. Don't mean I'm just gonna forget about her. So now I gotta take the oil in that and put it in that. That shit, boy.